Romeu Julieta is not just a dessert. It's a poetic expression of flavor, combining the intense sweetness of guava paste with the soft, slightly salty taste of Minas cheese. This iconic Brazilian pairing, named after Shakespeare's tragic lovers, Romeo and Juliet, symbolizes the harmonious contrast between its two main ingredients, creating a taste experience that is both unique and unforgettable. To prepare this quintessentially Brazilian dessert, you will need guava paste goiabada, available in blocks or cans at Latin American markets or specialty food stores. Minas cheese, a soft, white cheese that offers a mild yet slightly tangy flavor. If Minas cheese is not available, a good substitute can be fresh mozzarella or even a mild feta cheese, though the texture and taste will vary slightly. Begin by slicing the guava paste and the cheese into equal-sized pieces, about 1/4 inch thick, ensuring each bite has the perfect balance of sweetness and creaminess. The simplicity of Romeu Julieta lies in its assembly. No cooking is required, making it an ideal last-minute dessert option. For a traditional presentation, layer a slice of guava paste with a slice of cheese on a small plate or serving platter. This can be done in a single layer or stacked for a more visually appealing dessert. For those who prefer a warm dessert, place the layered slices under a broiler for a few minutes, until the cheese is just melted and the guava paste warm, enhancing the flavors and creating a delightful contrast in textures. Romeu Julieta's versatility extends beyond its simple form. It can be creatively incorporated into various desserts, such as cheesecakes, tarts, and pastries, adding a Brazilian twist to classic recipes. For instance, blending guava paste into cheesecake batter, or using it as a filling in puff pastry with Minas cheese, creates innovative desserts that pay homage to this traditional pairing. This dessert is not only a testament to Brazil's rich culinary culture, but also a reminder of the power of simple ingredients to create profound flavors. Romeu Julieta serves as a perfect end to a meal, offering a sweet and tangy taste that satisfies the palate and delights the senses. Whether enjoy in its simplest form or as an inspiration for more complex creations, Romeu Julieta is a celebration of flavor, culture, and the timeless story of two ingredients perfectly matched, proving that sometimes opposites truly do attract.